Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're going to custom program a body control module in a Chevrolet SS. So first off, we're going to go and click on the body control module tile. This is then going to load in the available options for this module. If you haven't licensed it already, the licensing manager will show now. Once you're loaded in, click on the flashing tab along the top. We can then head over to the configurable options, and this shows all the available parameters for this module. So on this body control module, we're going to go over to the remote start timer, and we're going to extend that one through to the 20 minutes option. We're then going to click on remote windows down, and we're going to select that to enabled. When ready, we'll click on the right button to begin the process. Do make sure you do have a battery maintainer fitted when you are flashing though, just in the event you have to do an operating system update, because that can take a couple minutes to complete. Whereas right now it's a calibration only write, which is nice and fast, which means this will be done within about 20-30 seconds, if less than that. And that is it. That's all it took to then custom flash and enable those features. This will then complete this final flash routine here, doing some finalization. We'll have a little pop-up indicating we can cycle ignition and clear all faults. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.